Hi, I'm Julie from julieblanner.com, and I'm so excited to share my homemade margarita recipe with you today. These margaritas go really great for taco night or any kind of Mexican night. In fact, Chris and I enjoy them just about every Saturday night. Believe it or not, these incredible margaritas come in at just 145 calories. You don't miss any flavor out of the sweetness. Some of the ingredients I use are a really great quality tequila, fresh squeezed lime juice, which you can purchase in the juice section of your grocery store, or you can fresh squeeze limes yourself. A little bit of simple syrup, which I often make on the stovetop, but again, that can be purchased. And really great flaked margarita salt, and a lime to rim it with. Let's get started and I'll show you just how easy it is. First, you rim your glass with a fresh lime. And you'll notice there it makes it just a little bit sticky, which allows the flake of margarita salt to stick well, giving it a pretty little rim. Next, I use crushed ice, and you'll want to fill it to the brim. Now, fill your glass almost to the top with tequila. A little splash of lime juice goes a long way. And a touch of simple syrup to really sweeten it up and give that classic margarita taste. Finally, top it off with a little crushed ice. Stir and enjoy. You can get the full recipe at julieblanner.com. Cheers.